In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to divide a fraction by a whole number. So let's begin. 1 over 4 divided by 5. What you want to do in this case is turn the whole number into a fraction. You could do that by putting the 5 over 1. 5 over 1 is the same as 5. So now you're dividing two fractions. And so you want to use the expression keep, change, flip. We're going to keep the first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the second fraction. And now all we need to do is multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer is going to be 1 over 20. Let's do the same thing for the second example. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it. So 3 over 5 divided by 4. The first thing we're going to do is put the 4 over 1. And then use keep, change, flip. Let's keep the first fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction. Now let's multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. And so the answer is going to be 3 over 20. And we can't simplify that. So that's how you could divide a fraction by a whole number.